5 destroying habits that are ruining your life and how you need to fix it. I'm Neha Fatehchandani, your personal excellence coach and communication expert, and on this channel I talk about success, communication, mindset, living your best possible life. So if you're new to the channel, then subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so that you do not miss any new video. So we are creatures of habit. So either habit runs you or you run the habit. It's very simple. Either you run the life or life runs you. So what is a habit? A habit is something that is happening on autopilot mode. You do not give energy and attention to. I'll give you a very simple example. Let's say you learn to drive a car. Initially, when you learn to drive a car, what happens? You don't know, right? You fumble. Okay, this happened, that happened. You're practicing, right? You are basically at a very initial stage wherein you are just learning, in a learning phase. The second stage is wherein you are practicing. You understand okay, this is how the car is to be. Okay, this is what I understand the rules, and then you practice it. More and more you practice it, you become better. And then what happened? You practice it so much that it becomes a habit. Now when you drive a car, you don't have to pay attention to the car. What happens is you can speak on call, you can drive a car, and you can even eat if you want, right? That is called habit. Now a habit can make you or break you. Let me share with you 5 destroying habits that are ruining your life and how you need to fix it. Habit number 1, waking up late. So the only reason you wake up late is because you sleep late. Waking up till late night and you're just going through social media, you're not doing anything meaningful, you're just going against the nature. Do you know that there was a doctor I met a couple of years ago? The doctor said from 11 p.m. at night, okay, the body starts processing in a way so that next day you are energized and all your organs are intact. And people who are sleeping late, which means instead of 11 you're sleeping at 1, at 2, that processing does not happen, which is nature, which is what nature wants, right? So what happens is, this is biggest reason because of which liver issues, stomach issues, and lot of diseases people are experiencing because of this one lifestyle. It's very simple, because you're going completely against the nature. Respect yourself, you have to respect your health, and you have to respect the nature. So what you do in order to wake up early, simple thing, sleep early. Okay, so if you want to let's say wake up at 6 a.m, start sleeping by 10 p.m. Okay, if you want to wake up at 7 o'clock, then by 11 p.m. You can't immediately build a habit. Okay, it takes time, right? Like I told you, how you learn to drive a car, it takes time. You need to give yourself time. So you have to give yourself time. Let's say day 1, if you're waking up at 10 a.m, don't expect yourself to wake up at 6 a.m. You will not be able to do it. So instead of 10, wake up for 1 week at 9:30, then 9, then 8:30, then 8. And you know what? Once you do this, once you start waking up early, you can take care of your health. You can take care of your mind. You can do some meditation, you can do some yoga, you can make some protein-rich breakfast, right? Otherwise, what most of the people are doing, they just wake up, they just get ready, they just have breakfast, and then they go to work. Okay, so the morning time, which is the most important time when you can take care of your mind and body, you're losing there. Habit number 2, ignoring health. So this is something that even I have observed a lot, that people are constantly running after new title, new job, new promotion, business growth, travel, what not. I mean, people are giving time to everything, but at what cost? Health. People are not taking care of health. If you're not taking care of health, what will happen? You will have unexpected lot of diseases. May not be today, but maybe after 10 years. But after 10 years would be something that you have done today, right? So if you're ignorant about your health, if you're not taking care of your health, it's going to come back to you. And when I talk about health, there are mainly 2 health that I always talk about. One is mental health and one is physical health. Mental health is taking care of your mind. Okay, and physical health is taking care of your physique. So in order to take care of your mental health, it is very important that you have let's say one daily activity that you're doing for your mind health. What is that? Meditation. That's the best. Okay, and if you're somebody who's new to meditation, you don't know how to meditate, don't worry, it is not a rocket science. You just sit anywhere, close your eyes, focus on any music. Okay, focus on fan voice, focus on AC voice, or on some meditation music and hear that. That's it. Nothing rocket science. 10 minutes in a day. And you will see marvelously how your mental health is better. Number 2, your physical health. What you can do. Same. Walking, yoga, cardio, Zumba. I'll give you my health routine. So I get bored very easily. So one day I like to do yoga. Specifically, I do Surya Namaskar. 2 days in a week to 3 days in a week, I go for a walk. 2 days I dance. And 1 day I do aerobics and exercise. And at times I also pick up weights. So I have a routine which is mix of lot of things. So I enjoy this diversity. It works well. So you have to see what works well with you. Is it combination of 2-3 things, or maybe just one thing? Whatever resonates with you, do that. Because if you're going to do something that you really like to do, you will do every day. Habit number 3. Now this is something that's very close to my heart. I have done this, so I want you to please not do this. And habit number 3 is you surrounding yourself with negative or toxic people. Now let me tell you what is negative or toxic people in a very simple sentence. These are the people who are not good for you. They drain your energy. Okay, so when you are around them, you don't feel good. They say you something that is not right. They constantly complain. They try to control you. They try to dominate you. They constantly tell you that you are not good enough. Okay, these are the people who are toxic or negative in your life. Okay, due to a fear of loneliness, due to fear ki, oh my god, I won't have then anyone, I won't have a good circle. What happened? We try to have these kind of negative people. We know these people are not right for us. We know these people are not doing anything good, but still we are with them. Don't do that. Don't be that ignorant. Okay, there's a beautiful line that says that you are product of 5 people you spend your time with. So you need to respect yourself, and you need to have a standard that these kind of people I'm going to surround myself with, and if I don't have these kind of people, I'm okay to be all by myself. That is called self-confidence. And if you are somebody who would like to master confidence, you want to speak with a lot of power and have a magnetic personality, then I do my free masterclass every week. You can click on the link and reserve your spot. Okay, so do you choose who are the people who are good for you or not for you? Very simple. People around whom you feel good and who will appreciate you, who will encourage you, who will be a cheerleader, who will accept you for who you are. If you're not getting that people, it's better that you become your own best friend. It is an opportunity. This is exactly what I did a couple of years ago when I was stuck in toxic relationship, couldn't find any way to get out of it. Once I got out of it, the only thing I said to myself, you know what, I'm going to be my best friend. And you know what, that completely changed my life. Today, I don't need any human. I don't need any person. I am enough. That's the stage that you got to be at. Speaking negative or complaining. So yes, I agree that there are a lot of times that life throws a lot of challenges. But if you're constantly complaining, will it really help you? This did not go well, this did not go right, something is happening in neighbor's home, right? Speaking basically negative. So once you are speaking negative, or if you're gossiping, then let me tell you, around us there is a field. We cannot see that, but there is a field. Okay, in law of attraction it is said that there is an energy field. So if you're going to constantly complain, if you're going to be negative, if you're going to be crib, if you're always going to say that life is not fair, you know what will happen? You will get exactly that same thing, because universe is a mirror. Whatever you put out in the universe, you get it back. So what do you want? Do you want your life to be miserable, or you want your life to be really amazing? If you want your life to be amazing, then start saying that I am living an amazing life. Start saying that I believe in the magic of this universe. Start saying that I am happy and joyful, and you will be, because that's exactly what universe is going to give it to you. So please never speak negative about anyone. Even if somebody has done wrong to you, just remove your presence, but don't speak anything negative. Don't complain. Whatever you have, there is so much you have, more than that you can think of. Be grateful. And the last habit, that is 5th habit that I have seen a lot of us have, specifically after COVID. And what is that habit? Constantly scrolling on social media. Mindless scrolling on social media. The research says that people every day on an average are scrolling on social media for 6 hours. Imagine the level of time that you are wasting every day on social media. So what is the solution of it? Well, have a routine. Have a routine. Let's say I'm going to do focused work for 2 hours, and then I'm going to scroll it, and that to have a timer for 5 minutes. You have to be disciplined enough, otherwise your habits are going to take you in some different direction. Okay, so now the choice is yours. Are you going to run your life, or you are going to let life run you? So I hope guys that this video was helpful. If yes, then hit the thumbs up so that it reaches to maximum people. And also, if you are somebody who would like to learn more from me, then I have also shared in the description my store link. You can check out that store and just be part of the community. Thank you so much.